Are you excited, Kate? Yay! Oh no. Poor Kate. I'll try to pull my tongue. Oh, it didn't work. I think I want to take a sip of water. When I hiccup, I'll take a sip. Did it cure? Oh hey, it worked. When it was going down, I hiccuped. Oh man, it didn't work. Lay down! Hey, I think it's working! Ah. What will we do? I think I want to take a big sip. Do it. Okay, I'll do it. I'll give it a try. I'll take 10 sips. I learned that from Toys and Colors. I'll do this. Ah! Ah! Didn't work. 10 gulps. Oh, this is not working. Let's see if it works. I think it worked. Yay! Uh-oh. Oh no. Kate, you met me have the hiccups now.